Children, good morning. Chapter 11, Transportation in Animals and Plants. This is your part 7. So children, in the yesterday's period, we studied about the transportation of minerals and water within the plant. When we were talking of the transportation in mineral and plant, we talked about the vascular bundles, and those were your xylem and phloem. So today we will start with an activity, but before going for an activity, I will talk on the term osmosis. It is this osmosis with the help of which water is absorbed by the roots. Osmosis is the process of transfer of the water molecules through a semi-permeable membrane. These water molecules, they move from the area where there are more water molecules, either the number of water molecules is more as compared to the area where the number of water molecules is less. So, to understand this, we will be performing one activity. For this activity, what we have to do is, we will take one large potato, we will remove the skin of it, and we will cut one of its end to make the base flat. Now we will make a hollow cavity on the opposite side of it. So here, when we cut it, we will fill it up with the sugar solution, and we will mark the level by inserting a pin in the wall of the potato. Put this potato into a dish which is containing some amount of water. Make sure that the level of water is below then the level pin. So leave the apparatus now undisturbed for few hours. After few hours, what is the observation? The observation is the level of solution in the side of the potato has increased, and the water has entered into the potato through the process of osmosis that I just now studied, just now taught you. This was possible, as I said, as the water can enter from one cell to the another. In the same way as the water, it reaches from the xylem vessels of the root to the other part of the plant from the soil. So this is how the transportation of water takes place from the root to the tip of the plant with the help of the root hairs and the process of osmosis. Now the next process that we will study today is transpiration, which we also have studied in one of the previous chapters. So, transpiration is the process of losing of water in the form of vapor. This is what is transpiration. Now, a lot of water is absorbed by the roots for the process of photosynthesis. All this water is not utilized by the plant. So, this excess water is to be lost through the process of transpiration. Transpiration creates a suction pull, which leads to the pulling up of the water from the root to the height of the plant, of any of a tall plant, you can say. So here the water is transported with the help of the suction pull that is created. Here again, the process of transpiration is taking place, during which the carbon dioxide is being taken up by the leaves and oxygen and water molecules have been removed out. This is what is happening here. You can see in the guard cells, as you were aware of, during the guard cells the opening and closing of the stomata takes place. So here the exchange of the gases was taking place. So I hope it is clear, because this all we have already studied in one of the previous chapters. It is not only that transpiration helps in the suction of the water, but also it helps in keeping our plant cool. So, transpiration helps in cooling the plant also, as we have sweating process in human beings. In the same way, transpiration is the process in the plants. Sometimes when the rate of transpiration is much more than the rate by which the root absorbs the water, the plant loses these excess of water and it results in the drooping of the leaves and the flower from the plant, and this is known as wilting. This wilting was not given in your book, children. It is just for your extra knowledge. So this is how, with the help of the transportation and with the help of the process of transpiration, the water is carried with the help of the suction pressure that is created by the plant with the help of the root hairs, and is taken up to the water is transported from the root to the tip of the plant. So this is what is your transpiration. I hope it is clear to you. So children, question for you: what is transpiration? And second question is, define tissue. Today what we have done is one activity on osmosis that we have done with the help of your potato and the sugar solution, and we saw how the water has entered within the cell of the potato, and we talked about the transpiration. We talked about the suction pull that is created by the plants. Thank you. Hope so that you have understood till here. That means the chapter. Tomorrow